Hi everybody, welcome to BC Original Rehearsal. It's Barbara Campbell coming to you from Brooklyn, New York, right now. It's a beautiful day. Thank you so much everybody for supporting diversity, inclusion, supporting me as an independent digital music artist, creator. We are in a time that we are overcoming the pandemic and we are upstarting and moving forward. It's the fall season. We're heading to the fall season. We're heading over to 2022. And time is just going too fast. I have a song presentation. It's a short song. It's part of our song story collection. And it's titled March. And I create music for your entertainment. And I hope that you are inspired by this song. All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Brooklyn, New York, and all my fans, supporters all around the world. Thank you so much for supporting me as an artist here. And this is my presentation. See, I'm from Brooklyn, heading down to Tennessee. I'm gonna walk down to Montgomery. Martin Luther King had a dream. March, 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 dum dum dum. 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 So I hear young black fella Berlin. He said, see. March, march, dum dum dum, march, march, see. Going down Atlanta, see grandma. Never been to North Carolina. Now I'm in Alabama, Tennessee. March, march, dum dum dum, march, march, dum dum dum, march, march, dum dum dum. Thank you for the hospitality. See, I'm heading back to Brooklyn. That's where I'll be. March, 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 dum dum dum, march, march.